Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scary pop-ups that come from the site winalert.net. Winalert.net is a deceptive website. It displays some misleading and faulty information that tries to encourage visitors into clicking on this special Install Now button, supposedly to help them clean the Windows computer. It says that Windows cleanup is recommended. And it claims to be related to Windows. It also, at the first glance, promotes some decent software, but in reality, when you try interacting with these pop-ups, you may be brought to some other shady and totally deceptive websites that may completely damage the system, that may infect your computer with adware, with browser hijackers, or some other potentially unwanted programs. So please be very careful, don't ever interact with these fake alerts, and don't install anything that they suggest. These pop-ups, by the way, may be the trace of some adware enabled in your computer. So first thing you should do is to check the control panel and get rid of the items that are suspicious. If you find them, delete them. I also recommend researching the computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and start researching and investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.